Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best garden tool set. Through extensive research and testing we've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget, if you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Scuddles Garden Organizer Tool Set. Besides durability in the tools, which is obviously necessary for any gardening kit, the main focus of this next option from Scuddles is organization. The more organized and accessible you can keep your tools, the more motivated you'll feel to use them, since they'll always be ready and on hand when your gardening time comes. This kit contains lightweight but durable wood and steel hand tools, construction grade but machine washable gloves with rubber dotted palms for grip, and a double-lined cotton garden tool tote that's also washable. This tote has a side pocket for every tool included, but also features a stabilizing elastic above each pocket to ensure that the tools actually stay in, rather than getting top-heavy and falling out when you pick up the bag. The response to this kit from people who have used it has been overwhelmingly positive, which is always great to see. The only critical note left was a small complaint about the lack of design options offered by the brand. Gardening is, after all, an activity partaken in by people of all ages and genders, and some people found that they had trouble selling their younger male relatives on this kit thanks to the rather feminine tote design and lack of more neutrally styled options, even though it's a perfect foundational set. Number 2. ESOW Garden Tool Set 3-Piece Gardening Kit. ESOW's 3-piece gardening set makes a great starter kit for the beginning home gardener. It includes a hand trowel for digging and planting, a 3-claw hand rake for loosening and aerating compacted soil and removing weeds, and a transplant trowel for relocating young plants and flowers. The latter comes complete with measurement markings on its narrow blade to make simple work of checking soil depth before moving plants and flowers. Each tool features a soft, rubberized non-slip handle and polished cast aluminum tool heads for comfortable use and resistance to rust, bending, or breaking. The set features 3 hand tools you'll probably need, including 2 types of trowels and 1 hand rake. It's the perfect starter set for planting and/or transplanting. All the tools are made of cast aluminum with no-slip grips. The grips are also ergonomically designed, with soft handles to reduce pressure and discomfort when working in the garden for long periods. You can dig, loosen soil, transplant, and even measure soil depth with this set. Pros: 3 tools included. Rubberized, non-slip handles. Comes in multiple colorways. Affordable. Cons: some users report poor quality. Number 3. Yukoki 12-piece aluminum garden tool set. Do you like the idea of a tote bag in theory, because you do take your gardening to several different spots, but you also often prefer to keep your tools on you for accessibility? Then you're going to love this kit from UKOKE, particularly if you like bright colors. Each of the handheld tools in this kit comes with a lightweight but durable and easy grip plastic handle and a steel head. You'll get a trowel, weeder, rake, spade, and cultivator, as well as 2 sizes of cutters. Each of these fits conveniently into the pockets of both the apron and the tote, and the rubber-lined gloves and spray bottle fit in the tote's larger central pocket, though most people with experiencing using this kit have been impressed by the durability of the tools. Some made notes that the cutter blades do dull very quickly. This is partially due to their arrival sharpened to only a standard degree for safety reasons, so you might give them a careful sharpen yourself to avoid having them dull so quickly after receipt. Pros: good range of basic, foundational tools. Durable stainless steel heads. Lightweight plastic handles. Rubber gloves, spray bottle, and cutters included as bonus items. Cons: cutter blades come only sharpened. Number 4. BlueMake Succulent Plants Garden Tools Set. This indoor gardening set contains a total of 15 mini tools, so you get all the equipment you need for maintaining your miniature, fairy, aero garden, indoor bonsai, or succulent garden. Tools are around 7 long. Though small, they are very useful in small pots with tender plants, where standard garden tools are just too big. You can accomplish any of these gardening tasks with this set of tools: planting and transplanting, cleaning, watering, weeding, loosening soil, digging, and more. Besides, it's a very cute garden tool set which can make it the perfect gift garden tool set for women. It's also a suitable garden tool set for kids to get them interested in gardening. Multifunctional transplanting tools set. Transplanting tool set is combined with a seedling tool and a dual-use transplanting tool, which can help loosen soil, seeding, paving and transplant safely. With this tool set, you can easily plant your succulents without hurting the plants. Pros: good quality for the money you pay, must have for mini gardening tasks, makes a perfect gift for indoor gardener, great garden tool set for kids. Cons: nothing to report here. Number 5, WORKPRO 7-piece garden tool set. This set of gardening tools has every essential tool that you would need to effectively take care of your garden. Impressively, the tools are made of heavy-duty stainless steel resistant to rust and corrosion. The tools are sturdy and should last for a long time. The tool bag is quite spacious. The external pockets allow you to store your hand tools for instant access. Plus, there is quite a bit of room for your scissors, tomato ties, and more. The pruner's blade is very sharp. It's made of premium SK5 steel for precision cutting. Handles have a hanging hole with a lanyard, which allows you to hang your tools from the storage rack in your garage, if you choose to. The bag has 8 side pockets and elastic loops above pockets to allow you to hold extra tools in place. Top all this with comfortable and durable wooden handles with a stylish 12-inch storage bag. And you'll have a great set of tools for your hobby garden or an excellent gift of high-quality hand tools for your gardener friend. Most of them speak highly of the kit, saying that it's a no-nonsense set with all the essentials you need to keep your garden lovely and neat.